What's up, everybody? As you can see, we took a few shots with the steamer, the Vapor Clean Desiderio. In my personal opinion, this thing has been the best investment that me and my brother have ever made in our mobile detailing business. Now, a lot of people start off with the McCulloch steamer, and there's nothing wrong with that. We did that too. But if you want better results, and you want something that's going to extract as well as steam and have a more versatile machine, then the Vapor Clean Desiderio is the right choice for you. The best thing that I like about this machine is its versatility and its mobility for us mobile guys out there. So this is the Vapor Clean Desiderio Auto version. This is a steamer, extractor, all-in-one, whatever you want to call it. But this thing is awesome. If you're a mobile detailer like I am, as you can see, and probably going to be posting my setup video today as well. This thing, I can't speak enough highly about it. It's awesome. But if you're a mobile detailer, this thing is absolute. It's a game changer. At least it was for my business. You have two different kinds of hoses. Fortunately, my hoses are packed away right now. But you have a steamer and a vacuum hose, which you can steam and extract at the same time, or you can do steam directly. And you also have a steam-only hose. I usually use the steam-only hose for floor mats, WeatherTech mats, stuff like that, and the vacuum hose for seats, upholstery, carpet floor mats, everything like that. And there's a model up from this one, the Pro version, or it has injection. I think this is where that water tank goes, but this one is just the regular Vapor Clean Desiderio. I believe this one was $1,200, but honestly, this thing is priceless. It's a workhorse. It's put in countless hours, and it's just awesome. And right up here, you can adjust the pressure. Usually I keep it about medium to low. There's really no point in blasting that thing. It does the job great. And this is the on switch, the heater, and then the superheat, or I think they call it the superheat. And this cord is actually very long, very, very long. And it just comes in handy whenever you're in a mobile situation and you're 50 to 100 feet away and you have a small extension cord, but you have this long thing, and this thing does great. And I believe this is for mobile guys that have generators and stuff. I believe this is 1800 watts, might be 1700. You might want to fact check me on that, but I had to research that like crazy just to find it. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.